Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe. Now since we know that CBSE has reduced the syllabus by 30%, so there are many chapters that have been deleted and some topics also from each chapters have been deleted. So in this video I'll be giving you a detailed information about each and every lesson from your maths and the topics that are deleted from each lesson, and there are a few chapters also that are deleted completely. So let's see what are the topics that are deleted. So in the following chapters you have the topics, these all topics that are deleted, like in sets the difference of sets and the complement of a set and properties of complement, that is deleted. Then in relations and functions the following thing is deleted. In trigonometric functions, your general solutions of trigonometric equations of the type like sin y is equal to sin a, or cos y is equal to cos a, or tan y is equal to tan a, all that is deleted. And then in your complex numbers and quadratic equations chapter, your polar representation of complex numbers and your square root of a complex number is deleted. So I suggest you to make a note of all these topics that are deleted. Then in your linear inequalities, nothing is deleted so far. In your permutation and combinations, the derivation formula for your NPR and NCR is deleted. In sequence and series, the formula for the special terms is deleted. In straight lines, you have the following things deleted, and in conic sections, you have a point, line, and pair of intersection lines as a degenerated case of cone. All that is deleted. So in your trade geometry, nothing is deleted so far, and the same thing with your limits and derivatives, and that also nothing is deleted. Then in your statistics, the following things are deleted, that is analysis of your frequency distribution with equal means, all that is deleted. And then in probability, axiomatic probability, and then connection with other theories of earlier classes, all that is deleted. Right, so all those chapters were, and I hope you have noted all the topics of the following chapters that are deleted. And among those chapters, apart from that, these three chapters I had not mentioned. So I had not mentioned them because the mathematical induction, binomial theorem, and the mathematical reasoning, all these three chapters are completely deleted. So it's not like a few topics are deleted, the whole chapter is deleted, these three chapters. So I hope you have noted down all the topics that are deleted and that you have no confusion now. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching my video.